Yo, what is going on, guys, and welcome back to another video. Now hopefully you watched the last video, but if you didn't, well, now's your time to go watch it before you finish watching this one. But this is gonna be like the second part of me trying to figure out how to make these little light pods work and these holes that I have drilled in my bumper. Now, as you can tell, here is the little holes, and if y'all didn't watch the last video, what I did is put like little chrome weather stripping on there on both sides. Now the holes are decent. I can't really tell if they're even or not. I don't know. I think the right one is a bit lower than the left, but like I was saying last video, hopefully when I put these lights behind there, that'll kind of be the focus, and then you kind of just skip over how the holes look. Now this is my idea on how I'm going to try to make the lights work. So what I'm planning on doing is, using the inside of the bumper here and putting this guy. I put these little brackets on the lights already, as you can tell. I don't even know if this is on there right, but this is how I'm going to use them. I'm going to put them back here, and then I'm going to try to like do little tack welds on this little, you see that little bracket there on the bumper, and just make it as straight as possible. And then hopefully it'll look good and this all works out the way I think it's gonna work, and we're gonna have some actual fog lights for once. But enough of the talking. Y'all aren't here to hear me talk about it. You're here to see me do it. Got the battery disconnected. I'm kind of excited right now because, well, two reasons. I'm hoping this is really going to work. Second reason, I got this new auto darkening welding helmet that I'm going to be trying out today. So hopefully I got it set right. Hopefully I don't burn my eyes out, and hopefully we can get these things tacked in there, and let's see what we can do. Alright, so I have filmed a bunch of stuff, and well, basically this is just not working the way I thought it would, but I finally have one in there. So basically I'm having to use two different ideas of brackets because I did this one going in it, first time doing it, trying to figure it out, messed it up, and then this one kind of got a better idea and it is in there, and it actually looks pretty good. I can't wait till we finally figure out how to get the other one in there, but let me show y'all how we did it, since I'm probably not going to use any of the footage because it was all like bad anyway. But look at all those nasty welds, and well, it's holding it. And then here's little wiring, gonna have to do that as well, but for now I'll come back to y'all whenever we get this one. Right, so we got the other one on now, as y'all can tell. This one right here is pretty weird how we did it. I'll show y'all real quick. Basically rigged it up, JB welded that son of a gun, and this right here is how it's gonna look. I think it actually looks pretty good. It turned out pretty well. Now the only thing we have to do is wire them up and see how the lights actually look. Well guys, we waited for the JB weld to cure, and it looks like it actually worked. I'll show y'all what it looks like now since it's all cured, and now literally all we have to do left is plug it all up and give the lights a test and see how they look, because I actually didn't test these before I put them in to make sure they work. So hopefully they work, and hopefully the light output is at a good angle and it actually does something for me, because as y'all can tell, they are of course a lot lower than where I'm gonna be, about right here, and they're kind of putting at an angle down. So I'm hoping they're gonna do a little bit. As long as they go out to like the garage, then they're gonna be doing something. And then I'll show y'all. See, it's cured, you can press on it and stuff, it's not going nowhere. This guy's welded in there, so I don't expect it to go anywhere. And the wiring setup is super easy on this. It like came with the relay and everything. Actually, I need to go get it real quick. I went inside and grabbed the little wire kit thing. It's not very long, so I'm obviously gonna have to extend the wires and stuff to get the button in the cab and everything. But it's pretty simple. Now that I look at it, I forgot something else, and the garage is closed, so now I gotta go back to the freaking house. All right, so this is pretty simple to do. Get these guys, put them on the end of these wires, then you connect them to these, then it goes to the battery, and then the button to the cab. And the only thing we have to do is lengthen some of the wires, and then obviously put these on, and then be able to wire it up. All right guys, so we got it set up, and I have my little helper here. I'm in a video, she's gonna turn it on. Hopefully I got this all wired up right. If not, well, it's obviously not gonna turn on, but for now I literally just have the button right here. So hopefully she flips this on, and these guys turn on. So you wanna do the honors?
Yeah.
Sweet.
They work?
They work.
Yay!
Now let's see. I can see my shadow all the way. I don't know if y'all can see that. But they sure are bright. Oh yeah, they are bright, guys. Holy cow.
Oh yeah.
Y'all see that ladder right there? See the light reflection? Boom, boom, boom. I cannot wait to test these at night. I'm so glad that they're working. Whenever they're on, can't even tell that they're really off-centered or anything. So that's also good. Thank you, helper. Okay, so now we got it actually wired up. And I'll show y'all how I did it real quick just in case y'all wanted to do the same thing. So obviously all you have to do on the actual lights, there's like 2 connections on the back of the lights. It's dark in here, sorry, but I think my connections are over the side of the frame. There's 2 connections on each one. I have it ran up. Here's the hot wire, here's the ground wire, the little fuse box, whatever majigger you want to call it, is just sitting in there. And then I have it running right over here over my fan, comes in, and then it goes in the firewall right there. And I'll show y'all the button I have connected to it. So this is the button for the fog lights, this is the button for my light bar, and this is the button for the Starlight headliner. So now I'm just all buttoned up. I'm gonna set the camera up and turn these on and just, I don't know, I thought it would be kind of cool. Okay, so we're gonna do something kind of neat here. I'm gonna turn on like all my different lights, and I'm gonna have her video it while I'm in there turning it on. I'm gonna turn on like the running lights, my headlights, light bar, and the fog lights. So. All right, running lights, headlights, fog lights, and light bar. Woohoo, woohoo. Oh wow, that is bright right there. Oh yeah, I gotta turn on my high beams. So, what do you think about it?
Me?
Yeah, you.
I like it. It looks nice.
Is it lit up?
Yes.
How do y'all guys like it? I think it looks pretty nice.
I like it.
I think the fog lights turned out pretty good. At the end of this video, I might have a clip in the dark with me driving around with just the fog lights and like the normal headlights on. But for now, I think that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video. So hopefully you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, make sure to drop a like if you haven't already. Subscribe if you're new, and drop down comments below on more ideas you have for this truck. And I will see y'all in the next one.
Love you.
Peace out.
I wanted to go ahead and get a light test for y'all guys. And I already tried them out, and holy crap, I was not expecting this at all. You want to turn the light on for me real quick, please? Thank you, baby. All right, she's about to flip it on. Just watch the brightness. Jesus. Guys, this is literally 2 little pods. Look at that. 1 and 2. This is really good. I'm gonna stand up here. There's a truck in the way, so you can't really see how far it's gonna go. But looking at that fence over there, I think they're gonna go pretty far.